Ronaldo owns a property located in Baguio City. He sold the same via installment to Tonya in 1996 without a written agreement. Since 1976, Tonya and her family has been living in that property and has been paying real property taxes there too. When Ronaldo died in the year 2000, Tonya was able to pay already more than half of the agreed purchase price. They continued paying the amortization to Ronaldo's son, June, and every time Tonya renders payment to June, June would issue her an acknowledgement receipt. After a few months, June became addicted to gambling and took a loan from Robert. As a security for such loan, he used the property where Tonya is staying as a collateral for that loan. When June defaulted in his payment, Robert foreclosed the property and transferred the title to his name. Tonya is now asking, can she still have a right over the property when Robert has allowed to transfer the title in his name? Tonya, under our law, there are 3 rules of preference that we follow. The first is the first registrant in good faith. Number 2, should there be no entry, the first in possession in good faith. And number 3, in the absence thereof, the buyer who presents the oldest title in good faith gets preference. Remember, Tonya, that prior registration of the subject property does not by itself confer ownership or a better right over the property. Article 1544 of the Civil Code requires that before the second buyer can obtain priority over the first, he must show that he acted in good faith all throughout. That is, he is not aware of the first sale and of the first buyer's rights from the time of acquisition until the title is transferred to him by registration or by failing registration by delivery of possession. In your case, Tonya, it is hardly believable that Robert does not know that you're already owning the property. One who purchases real property which is in actual possession of others should at least make some inquiry concerning the rights of those in possession. The actual possession by people of the vendor should at least make the purchaser beware that there is a prior possessor of the property. Now, in this case, the title of the vendor and the one who buys without checking the vendor's title takes all the risks and losses consequent to such failure. Thank you for your growing trust with us here at People's Television. Please do not hesitate to email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimena Atienza for the Rule of Law.